to File on top. I select Import. You can see I can import a PDF, a DWG file, or in this case a project trace image, which is a JPEG or bitmap. These others are photos you can import. You can import furniture, 2020, kitchen design program, it communicates with that, and then your BIM option to add BIM to your catalog, which are free symbols. Back at Project Trace Image, when I select it, I get this dialog, and that allows me to look where I've saved, in this case, a site plan. So I double click it, it opens, and we have the option at this point to scale, or we can insert as is, zoom in, and because this is 10 feet, we have the option to resize. I can select the image, right click, resize, click once, click twice, and then enter 10 feet. Say OK, and watch the image resize. I'd like to show one other thing that will help in this case to double check this dimension. You see we have a variety of options up above. What we'd like to do is add a tab. So if we go into Settings and Toolbars, and then look on the right, you'll see Model View, and you'd like to come down to Layout, click it, click Tabbed, and say OK. At this point, I'd also like to turn on annotation. So I can click that, tabbed, and OK. And now when I come up to my layout option, you'll see that I have a linear and an angular dimension. And if I go to the annotation, I have additional dimensions. So I can select the linear, click once here, click once here, and you can see here under distance option, I'm very close to 10 feet. If you have a plan that requires tracing the file, import, project traced image, and locating that image is the method that you use to get started. Select the building tools, walls, and 2x6 cement board, and I'm going to just turn on ortho down below, click here, 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 there, and then close and right click and say finish. And I'm coming up to the roof tool and selecting roof by perimeter. I have a 412 pitch, I'll add that, and then we'll come down to 3D mode, place a camera, select once, select the second time, and now you see that we have just a portion of that building quickly defined. And if I were to just grab any windows, so we have a few, and then come down to our floor plan option, this is where you take the work that you've created in model space and transfer it to your sheet views.